So the definition of disillusionment is disappointment that arises when our expectations do not align with reality. It can make us feel lost, frustrated, hopeless, especially in challenging times. So today, we're going to do an EFT on working through disillusionment. And let's look from a scale from 1 to 10 where you are in feeling disillusioned about you fill in the blank. So 10 being very disillusioned, very hopeless about the future, about a relationship, about the world, politics, someone you know, it just, yeah, fill in the blank. So when you have your number, let's get ready to tap. And we'll start with our karate chop again. You can always tap this way. I like to tap this way on the karate chop point. And we'll start with our setup statement. So even though I feel disillusioned and a bit lost right now, I fully accept myself and my feelings. Even though I'm having a tough time with this sense of disillusionment, I'm here for myself. And then the last one, even though I feel disheartened, I acknowledge my feelings and give myself a hug. Okay? Eyebrow. This feeling of disillusionment that I'm carrying. Side of the eye, it's a bit hard to see the positives. Under the eye, feeling confused and a little lost. Under the nose, these disappointments weigh on my heart. Chin, that heaviness I can't seem to shake off. Collarbone, I wonder if things will get better. Under the arm, feeling like the path isn't clear right now. Top of the head, sometimes this disillusionment feels so real and overwhelming. Okay, back to the eyebrow. This disillusionment that I'm feeling. Side of the eye, it's tough to move forward. Under the eye, moments of frustration come up often. Under the nose, I acknowledge that it's okay to feel this way. Chin, I'm hoping for a little more clarity. Collarbone, giving myself grace as I navigate these feelings. Under the arm, it's all right to sit with these emotions for now. Top of the head, I'm letting myself process this experience. Okay, back to the eyebrow. I'm facing this disillusionment with kindness. Side of the eye, allowing my feelings to exist. Under the eye, recognizing my disappointment and breathing through it. Under the nose, I'm being present with my emotions. Chin, acknowledging the weight and just letting it be. Collarbone, it's perfectly okay to feel this way sometimes. Under the arm, Accepting my journey is unique to me. Top of the head, I'm giving myself permission to feel. All right. Now we're going to shift into optimism and positivity. Eyebrow point. I'm excited. I am open to being excited about new possibilities. Side of the eye. I'm open to amazing changes ahead. Under the eye. In this moment, I choose to focus on the bright side, find some part of the bright side. Under the nose, I'm choosing to believe there's so much hope for new beginnings. Chin, I'm choosing to believe that I can create a fulfilling and joyful path. Collarbone, I can trust myself to find happiness along the way. Under the arm, I'm welcoming all good things coming my way. Top of the head, I'm ready to embrace my journey with a big smile, this journey called life. Okay, and then one final round, eyebrow. The possibility of possibilities. Side of the eye. In the present moment, I can feel excited about life. Under the eye, I choose to focus on what I can be grateful for. Like tapping right now, breathing. Under the nose, I can choose to focus on the positive. Chin, I choose to focus on what I can control. And that's my thoughts, my actions, my contributions, my breath, what I focus on. Collarbone, I can trust myself. I can trust myself to show up for me and to show up in the present moment, one breath at a time. Under the arm, I'm welcoming these good feelings. Top of the head, I'm ready to embrace positivity today. Okay, take a deep breath in. And then just let's check in and see how you're feeling now. Has your number changed? Feeling positive? And just remember to be kind to yourself and invite possibility into today. You're doing wonderfully. Keep shining. And I will see you next time. Take good care.